Today's reading is for air sign people. That means Libra, Gemini, and Aquarius. So, yes, guys, in this reading, yes, as we did for other signs, same way we are going to be doing. That means we are going to be telling you about your current feelings, your partner's current feelings for you, your common feelings for each other, your career and finances. Or also, we are going to be talking about your health. Okay, so yes, guys, you have to have that faith and trust in the reading and also in the reader. Okay, reader means I, yes. And yeah, before I start the reading, let me tell you that yeah, my name is Suman, and I welcome you to my channel Tarot Fragrance Suman. So yeah, I'm doing this reading for air sign people. That means Libra, Gemini, and Aquarius. And yes, before I start the reading, yes, I request you that if you have any kind of a doubt in your mind, please remove that doubt. Have that clear mind and have that trust and faith in the universe, in the reading, and also in yourself. Okay, so let us not waste any more time and start the reading. So, yeah, let us call upon all the angels from the universe to help us out with the reading. And this reading is for air sign people. That means Libra, Gemini, and Aquarius. So, yeah, angels, please help us out with the reading. Yeah, guys, have that trust and faith in yourself and also in the reader. That means me. Yes, you need to have that trust in me. Yes, there's no other way but to have that trust in me. Yeah, the first card is Seven of Pentacles. Second card is King of Cups. Third card is Magician upright. Wow. Fourth card is the Moon. And the fifth card is Tower. So you guys are in breakup mode. Yes. And the bottom energy is lovely energy. The Fool. You want to start something. Start over, in fact. Yeah. So let me start with the Tower card. So the Tower card says there was a major breakup which happened, and you two guys have been in separation with each other for a very long time. Okay, and the reason of separation can be anything, but since this card has come immediately after the Moon card, which is all about doubt, fear, betrayal, cheating, lies. So these reasons can be, or these things can be the reason of your separation. This is what I feel. This also says that either you or your partner uh, hid something from each other, and you were like either you were doing something behind their back. That could be, if this is a card of a betrayal or cheating, then in that case, you or your partner, I don't know who, were in connection with some other person. That means there was a presence of a third party. Or if it is not something related to third party or something, then in this case, this shows that your partner or you, I don't know who, were hiding something from, from each other, and you were not open also with your partner, and this also shows that you had some kind of a fear. You were, I don't know, you or your partner who, but you were like, or you may be in some relationship, and you were hiding about that relationship from your partner. So your partner or you, I don't know, or both of you were already in some relationship when both of you came into, you know, each other's life. Okay, this is what it shows. Or even if you knew about it, okay, your partner must be knowing about it, and even you must be knowing about that. But then there's something happened all of a sudden in the relationship. I don't know. There could be an entry of somebody, or there could be something was cooking behind your back, and which you came to know, you or your partner. I don't know who, and that led to separation. Okay, so cheating, betrayal, and lies. These three things have been a major reason or major factor for your separation. This is what I feel. And with the magician card, it says that your partnership with your person has been going very well, and you people have been very happy with each other since you were like you had everything when you were together and all. You were like enjoying everything. So, and your partner was all love for you, or even you were all love for your partner. This is what I feel. So the love or attraction was mutual. Okay, can you see this man holding two cups on both the hands, one cup in each hand? Can you see that? That means there was a mutual attraction between the two of you, and you had that mutual love for each other, and you were enjoying each other's company, and you felt that as if you've got everything in your life, and there's not much that you are expecting from from your from anybody in that for that matter. So we were extremely happy in the company of each other. This is what I feel. But in this connection, there was only one person who was putting in effort, and the other person was not that active. Though both of you had love and attraction for each other, but when it comes to communicating with each other, when it comes to showing that love, and see, when you are in a relationship and all, you have to express your relationship either verbally or through some gestures. So in this case, somebody in the relationship was hiding their feelings, were not very truthful with their partner, were not expressing their emotions and feelings towards their partner. This is what I feel. And there was one person who was all love, who was very expressive, and who's been like putting in extra effort also to see that this relationship goes, and this connection works for each for both of them. This is what at least one person was doing in this connection, and this person has been actually waiting for their partner to reciprocate in the similar manner. Okay, but something happened, and that could be cheating, that could be betrayal, that could be entry of some third person, that could be something, I don't know. And the relationship got that relationship broke like this. Can you see this? This is a major arcana card. That means something really major happened between the two of you, and the relationship was over. But now this, because I always say that the bottom energy is actually supposed to be the strongest energy, and the bottom energy is the energy of a fool. That means this person, wherever your person, I don't know in this connection who left who. So whoever left in this relationship, whoever left and went somewhere, so those people are have, it's like wound up with that relationship where they were, with that connection where they went, and they are all set to start afresh with someone. I don't know who that someone, but this could be you. Okay, so this person is coming back, and they want to start this relationship with you, and they don't want to discuss with you about why did they go, why did they leave you, and why did they go. They don't want to give you any explanation. They just want to come and act as if they were very innocent and nothing has happened between the two of you, and it's not that they were guilty or something. They will try to hide, again they will hide everything. They'll not be very open with what does that happened, what was the reason of they're leaving you and going somewhere else. They're not going to say anything. They just want to start it again casually. And because there's nothing of this sort wherein, because of this energy, I feel they will still hide their feelings. Okay, they'll still hide that feeling, and they'll like, no, I want to, I love you, or I like you, or I want to restart this relationship. This is what they are going to be telling you. Mm. But I think whosoever left, who I don't know. So this person is this energy is the energy of that person who was actually cheated in this relationship, and they are like in no mood to unite with this person, and they're like, no, I want explanation from you. Why is that you went, and where did you go, and what is that you did, and then why are you back now? This is what this person is demanding. So in your situation, I don't know who did that, so you have to understand, in your situation it was you who left and went, or it was your partner who left and went. So yeah, whoever, if it was your partner who left, then you are going to be in this energy, and you're going to be demanding clear cut answer from your partner. This is what I feel. Okay, so yeah, your partner wants to come back to you, or if it was you who went, then you want to come back to your partner. This is what I feel. And yes, whoever in this relationship got cheated want an answer, clear cut answer, truth. They want the truth from their partner who's coming back to them. Okay, now when it comes to your career and finances, again in career and finances, there were a lot of people who had some major losses in their business. If they were in the business, there were some major losses that they faced. If they were in some job or something, they lost their job. Or if they, if there was something which wherein you might have taken some kind of a loan or something from the bank or something, then it was actually very difficult for you guys to repay to the bank, the EMIs and all which you're supposed to be paying, to the bank every month. It was becoming actually very difficult for you to repay the bank, repay the loan and all. So now you have come out of that. Okay, now things are clear. And again, whatever problem you had with your business, or whatever problem you had with your job, that is over, and you're going to be restarting afresh with your job or with your business. This is what I feel. In the next 15 days, this is what I foresee for you when it comes to your career or finances. Yeah. And when it comes to your health and all, again, you have to be very careful with your health, because uh, you thinking too much, you are in doubt all the time, and this is affecting your health. Yes, for sure. There are a lot of people who may be having bad dreams, who may be having this dream of losing their partner, or losing some money in their business, something of that sort. So the cards are suggesting you to come out of that negative energy. Otherwise, your health will definitely will be affected. This is what it says. So you have to be extra careful when it comes to taking care of your health. Otherwise, it is going to be fatal for you. Yes, because this is a major arcana card. So yeah, guys, please do take good care of your health. And so with this I finish. And but then you will be able to cope up with your health, because this card has come. This is a card of a fool. If in health spread and all, if full cards come, this shows that you will be able to cope up with your problem, and will come out hale and hearty. So but then yes, that doesn't mean that you will not take care of your health. You need to take care of your health. But if you do so, yes, universe is going to help you out, come out with the problem, and you will be uh, all well. This is what I feel. So with this, I finish this reading for all my air sign people, that is Libra, Gemini, and Aquarius. And before I finish this reading, let me thank all those people who have already subscribed to my channel. And a big, big, big thank you to all those people who are taking out their precious time, writing all those lovely comments to motivate me. I am really, really, from the bottom of my heart, I thank you so very much, and a big hug from me, and a lots of love also from me. And there's a small request to all those people who haven't yet subscribed to my channel to do that as early as possible. Also hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification on time and you don't miss out on any of my videos. So yes, I'm going to be meeting you again with the next video, and the reading is going to be on water sign people. Okay, so yes guys, till I meet you next, please to take very good care of yourself. Bye guys.